Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, pretenders, imposters, or trolls. And this is an episode of Burgh unboxing, but it's not in the box. And I really don't want to open this because I love the artwork. I may see if I can get Donald Trump to autograph this. It's me with Fluffy the cat, or Little Girl the cat, and Donald Trump. So, I love it. Now I just dropped my scissor. Where did I put the scissor? So we're going to open this up. And Snap TS, when I got this, I said not yet. We were out. I had a horrible lunch. Made me sick. Go back to the restaurant and tell them it made me sick. The avocado was bad, and I was sick to my stomach. So go where I know. Don't go to restaurants. Kathy's been there. I've been there, but the experience has not been great. Black Bear Diner. So I'm not going to go there again. I'll tell you that. All right, we have here nothing in the envelope. No $1 million checks from President Trump, sadly. We have Donald Trump's Dark Donald's Mental. The only more dangerous than one Donald Trump is 7 Donald Trumps. Looks like an episode of the X-Men. Trump's Titans versus the End. And God Mode. Don't ask me, but they're playing what looks like a, I don't know, that's an Xbox controller, Wii, Nintendo. It's not Nintendo. I know it, but it's not coming to me. I'll read that later. All right, let's just take a quick look here. Why do I always say number 1 when they've done number 1s? Okay, let's see. We have here, that guy looks like Cyclops. That guy looks like Werewolf Man with an artichoke on his body. And this guy looks like he's all teethy like a shark. And this guy looks like a cross between a bunny rabbit and LED light sticks. And one looks like kind of a Captain America type. So I'm just doing a quick look without reading it. See what's here. There's another episode. Junior High Horrors. Kathy liked Junior High Horrors, by the way. And I'll read that, do a review of that probably Sunday. Alright, now I should read this first, read it second. I'm a little confused here. Read a blank piece of paper first. That must have been the one I just took out. Okay. And here we have the second one, The End. And this doesn't look good. Oh, this is cute. Smokey the Bear. I like Smokey the Bear. Alright, I don't know why I'm in it. I'll have to look at that and do a quick look of God Mode here. And looks like the Men, excuse my nose is running, excuse me. Men in Black in this one, so we will see what that gaming Men in Black. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I'm running out of power. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe. And I will catch you next time. And I will do reviews of the Trump's Titan and the Trump's Titans and the what's this other one called? God Mode. Sometime this weekend. Going to Sacramento tomorrow, and I got to put away all the fall stuff. So, and then Kathy has to grab some. Oh yeah, I got some plates here that someone left, and some Tupperware, and Kathy's gonna grab about half of those. I washed them all, and then I got Sunday I'll start working in the kitchen and doing laundry. All right, have a good one, and there is some exciting stuff coming for the channel, and my computer and other things. So there'll be more Burgh boxing coming very soon. And once someone finishes writing a book and moving, I will be doing probably interviews with a major conspiracy writer. So I'm sure I can get at least 4 interviews out of him, because there's 4 books that I'll be reading. His new book and 3 others. So we have become friends, and he says, I'm real busy writing this book, and he and I have something in common. I'll talk about that another time when I review his 3 books when they come in within the next week, which I just bought. So, we will see from there. All right, that's it. Sorry my voice is fading. It's been a long day, and when you get bad avocado here, I really did not feel well after that for a couple of hours. Have a good one, and I'll enjoy reading the Trump's Titans tonight. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.